Fred, I understand that you are a world-renowned expert in the field of birds. And first of all, I'd like to know what qualifies you on this subject.
I've been watching birds for many, many years, and I also have this authoritative book, Birds of North America by National Geographic. You had a question on identification.
I do. I've been here at the beach. And I've noticed there's a lot of different types of seagulls and terns. Can you tell me the difference between a sandwich tern and a royal tern?
Yes. You'll notice here on this page there's the sandwich tern and there's the royal tern. However, for quick identification, this never fails. This is a sandwich tern, and this is a royal tern. That never fails.
Thank you.